Scheduled maintenance is planned and proactive and happens on fixed intervals to prevent problems, while unscheduled maintenance jumps in when something unexpected pops up during operation. Aircraft have detailed maintenance programs like A, B, C, and D checks, with tasks tied to flight hours, cycles, or calendar time, so the aircraft gets the right care at the right moment. Maintenance manuals and procedures are the safe playbooks technicians follow to make sure every task is done correctly and consistently, based on approved manufacturer and regulatory guidance. Checklists and detailed documentation help crews tick all the boxes, from simple daily checks to complex overhauls, ensuring nothing gets forgotten and everything is recorded. Human factors, things like fatigue, communication, lighting, and workload, directly affect maintenance quality, so understanding them helps teams avoid errors and keep aircraft safe. Every maintenance action must be recorded and traceable, so technicians, regulators, and future teams can understand what was done, when, and why. This record trail is critical for ongoing safety and compliance.